Paring habapidon kam jinirap kibakwa anang pay ka video hadu bakod pagandang kachingento yapi part 7. Hello, kumno. Can you help me? Pila manirap nga. I will hurt you if you want. Manirap yapi lalapi kwa. Actually, I want to know the location of STG College. Do you know where it is? Hakaching siya kwa matip kadon hae ka STG College. Pitip kadon hae. Yes, of course. It's very close to the local hospital. Haoy, kadon hatan trong ka local hospital. I completely new here, so I don't know where the hospital is. Nadang long tamay bahang ne. Namtip kadon hae kata ka hospital ro. Oh, okay then. I'm telling you the way. Oh, to kata nganitu yapi kaganti. First, go straight for a few minutes, and then you will find the bank on your right side. Ningkong yai bay tang kindiat minute. Nang ta pinsayo kaway kabang siya kamon chong pi. Okay, which bang? To kabang ayo. See bang, then turn left and go for 100 meters. There you will able to see the local hospital. Street bang nang ta pay siya kadiyang, but late kumbang is 5 meter. Hang ta pinsala banyo iya ka local hospital. Thank you so much. Is the college just beside the hospital? Kublishi bun kata ka college kadon hasinda jong ka hospital. No, it's just opposite to the hospital. Kadon big Mars Persha ka hospital. Don't worry, I'm also going there, so you can come with me. But kus lai nga ru ngan late hantu, pila banwan lang bana. Oh, really? I'm glad to know that. Of course, I will go with you. Oh, sisya, nakaman ba pantip ya kata, saoy ngan late hantu. Sure, let's go. Tikna, yang ngan late na. Thank you so much for your kindness. Kublishi bun yakaching spoon chongpi. I'm Andrea, ngadi Andrea. May I know your name? Long mga tip ikakating chongpi. I'm Ria, ngadi Ria. Nice to meet you, Andrea. So tonight panikindu ipi Andrea. Nice to meet you too, Ria. Samtunan banyak mendung ya piru, Ria. Where do you live? Bisa siya eh. I live in Delhi. Nasa Delhi. Oh, nice to hear that. Oh, samtunan banyak niyo kata. Yes, I'm just come here yesterday. I stay in my uncle's house. Haoy, nadang suwan menin siya ni nasa aying chong imama. Where is your uncle's house? Kadon hae kaying chong imama chong pi. It is in Shillong. Kadon ha Shillong. Then you have to travel a long distance every day. Kata pihap panlate kalanti bachngay man kasi. I'm just staying here temporary. Nasyusa ang nitang sport. Do you know where the college hostel is? Ato pitip kadon hae ka hostel chong ka college? Yes, it is just next to the college. One of my friends stayed there. Haon kadon Marchan chong ka college. Iway parlok chong aru isa anto. Is it a good place to stay? Hato kabiyang ansa. I have no idea, but I can ask my friends today. Amtim ia kata tangba ngala ban kali na iperlog chunga mentakasmi. Oh, nice. Thanks you again. You are so kind and helpful. Oh, Snowtenan, kublishibun sa shisin, pilong ibaspun, but kloy banyarap. It's okay. We should walk fast, otherwise I will miss my class. Homlele, we have a nested lam kumta ngan saduk class shibit. Yes, you know, I never thought I will find such a good friend like you on the very first day. Haot, pitip, ngamjuk berkat bangan, isyam iperlog mabha kung mapi agasmi baning kungduk. Don't worry, never feel alone. I will always be with you. At Kuslai, but just no longer way, and I don't but be. Where do you live? Pisa Shai. I live in Malki, Nasa Amalki. You stay with your parents? Pisa Batibayi? Yes, we have 4 members in our family. Hawat nidan sound aying chong. Oh, nice. I have only one elder brother. Oh, Snowtenan, narantang iway mention rang bahe. I can take you to my house tomorrow. I want you to meet my family. I'm sure you will love them. Ala banyalam mapin siya yin chong nga lasay. Nakwa mapin kendo ikibahayin chong nga. Ati ka na pinsiyaw tunad iki. Yes, I will go, but not tomorrow. Tomorrow I will be busy. Hawat nan sa late tangba, munday lasay na bunkam. It's okay, Omnene. This is our college. Kane kadeka college jongi. It looks so beautiful. Kaitanad ba? Yes, let's go inside. Hawat. Yang in room siya po.